What's up, guys? It's Thomas from the Barber Style Directory. It is 8:55 a.m. Today I'm going to take you guys through a full day of cutting. I did a CrossFit session this morning at 5:30 a.m. so I'm a little tired, but we're still going to push through. So stay tuned and I'm going to walk you through the day. Let's get right into it. My first appointment should be walking into the door in just a few minutes. What a day. So I just took you guys through a day of cutting. So there are just a few things that I want to do a recap on. First off, I really suggest that you do some type of activity before you start cutting, Just something to get your blood flowing, whether it's stretching. Personally, I like to work out before I start cutting just because my body's warmed up, my mind is sharp. Now, granted, some days you are tired, like for example, today. The workout I did this morning was very strenuous, so I was kind of tired. Also, the way that I structure my day, now this is totally up to you, but how I do it, I get the bulk of my haircuts out of the way. Before I take a lunch break, I cut from 9 a.m. until 2:15. And I know that may seem like a long time before you eat, but just make sure that you eat some quality food before breakfast, some protein, some oatmeal, eggs, a banana, some type of fruit. Just something that will give you good fuel and won't make you sluggish. Also, I know you guys saw me stretch at my lunch break. Stretching, oh my God. If you don't listen to anything I tell you, stretch and roll your back whenever you get a break. This will really keep your lower back from getting tight. And then finally, this may seem remedial, but always clean your station after each day. You don't want to wake up, go to the shop the next day, and then the area is dirty. You have to clean up before you start. You just want to start the day off and end the day on a positive note. So start clean and end clean. But let me know in the comments if you guys want to see more videos like this. If you guys prefer the vlog style, I'll do more videos like that. So just comment below what other types of videos you want to see. So thank you guys for watching, and I will see you all on the next video.